Hey folks, we've added a cool new feature to the packing materials section. Now you can include inner packaging materials as well. To check it out, head over to Packing Materials under the Consumables category. When you create a new material, you'll notice there's now an option for both outer and inner materials. Outer materials are typically your cartons or polybags, essentially what you use to ship packages. Inner materials are those you add inside the outer boxes, like inserts, bubble wraps, or any protective materials. To get started, just enter all the necessary details for the material. Choose whether it's an outer or inner material. As a 3PL, you can opt to use the same material for all your clients, or specify it for a particular client. For inner materials, providing dimensions is optional, as is the weight. However, if you're dealing with outer materials, you'll need to provide those dimensions. If you're looking to track costs for billing purposes, you can set that up too. You can even apply markups if needed before finalizing and creating the material. And that's how simple it is to create.